This is the Golem Head Tower in Lettermullen. It was built in 1804 by the English to warn of a French invasion by keeping lookout for any danger coming from the sea. Lots of these towers were built around the coastline, and they would display a large white flag or a bonfire at night to signal the next station along the coast that the French were coming. And in the distance in this shot you can see the 12 Pins Mountains. The Aran Islands have signal stations on Iniseer and Iniseer. The one in Iniseer was operational until 1812, when it was replaced by a lighthouse. The Golem Head Tower is in good condition compared to many others, although the wooden floors have long since gone. There are suggestions that the stone from the ruined Lettermullen castle was used in its construction, and that of the causeways between the islands of Eanach Mheain, Lettermore, Gorumna and Lettermullan that you need to cross to get to the tower. I have passed the seaward of Golem Head when heading to the Scared Rocks fishing or travelling north up the coast. The Scared Rocks are an extensive group of rocks and shoals, some of which are always above water and others just awash. The outer rock on the southwest side of the group is called Scared Moor, and it stands 18 metres high. They're a couple of miles west of Golem Head. There's a project in planning for one of the largest ever infrastructure projects in the Connemara region. If built, it will be the first commercial-scale offshore wind farm on Europe's Atlantic margin, set on Connemara's Gaeltacht coast. In my opinion, wind farms would not exist if it was not for the subsidies they harvest, and to blight this beautiful coastline with industrial eyesore would be a travesty.